Belly noobs, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do? When the Balisong Police are coming for you. Yeah. Belly noobs, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Balisong Police is filmed on location with the men and women of Balisong enforcement. All Bally noobs are innocent until proven guilty in the court of Balisongs.
So I've been in the force for about 3.5 years. It's a fun time, you know, you learn a lot. I used to be a cancerous Bally newbie, but thank God I, educated myself and ended up going into the force. The main problem around these parks is there's a lot of clone trafficking, and someone's got to be there to stop that, This looks a bit fishy. Yeah, we're gonna have to check this out. Yeah. Hey, what's going on here, guys?
Nothing, officer. I'm just trying to buy a BRS replicant.
Oh, really? Can I see if this replicant is like...
Hey,
sir, get over here. Get over here. Do not resist. I'm gonna search you. You're being really fishy, buddy. All right. Don't do anything weird. All right. What's this?
It's nothing. Arrest me for the cocaine.
Does it look like I care about the fucking cocaine? Huh? Oh, some good shit. Oh! Alright. Calm down.
Arrest me for the cocaine.
Shut the... What's this? Look at me. What is this? Huh. So it looks like we got a fake replicant here. A clone replicant, to be exact. Get over here. Alright, hang tight, buddy. Alright? Watch your feet. Hey, buddy. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, sir.
Did you know you were gonna purchase a clone replicant?
I had no idea.
Alright, well, mind if I ask what kind of Balisongs you have on you right now?
I'm only carrying a Camaro 11.
Seems legit. Alright. Well, just be safe, alright? Take care.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm glad we got this guy out the streets. I know there are plenty of other scammers out there, but at least we got one out of the way. So, yeah, pretty proud of that.
I've always been fascinated with Balisongs in the movies. This community is not as civilized as other communities out there, so we have a lot of douchebags running around. I plan to stop them the best that I can.
9 plus 10 equals 21. We got a code 5479 on BM 87th Street Northeast.
This is Relish. I'll be on scene in just a moment. Code Salt, over. So there's a disturbance in the area. There's some kid being a douchebag, trying to be a macho man, saying that he has a Benchmade 42. He says it's not a fake, but others can claim that it is in fact a fake. But we're just gonna have to see what's up. So we're at the right place, but there's kids in the middle of the street. I think we have to check this out first.
Tell me, how am I supposed to?
What are you doing on the street? Safe house.
I'm saying, making a goodbye video to my premium replicant because I sold it. So, yeah.
Well, it's not safe in the middle of the street. You should get out of the street.
Yeah, yes, sir, officer. Yeah.
Just be safe.
All right, thank you. Man, what do you want?
Officer Relish, I'd like to see your Benchmade 42 papers, please.
What the fuck is this shit?
I know your 42 is a stainless steel shit clone.
My 42 be real in the store.
No, I know you're lying.
No, shit, fuck. Get off of me!
Fuck, you done for yourself.
Fuck you!
Where's the clone?
Fuck you! Fuck!
Where's the clone?
Okay. It's
It's in the pantry in a bag of rice. Ah,
Stop, bitch.
Out in here.
That'll do it. Definitely a clone. Could've let you off with a warning.
Shut up, man.
Alright, sit tight and fuck you. This guy's a really stubborn kid. I'm hoping ass whooping really puts him straight.
Yeah, the job might be sketchy, but I wear the badge for a reason, you know? It's to fight the very cancerous side of the Balisong community. So we just got a call about a guy with a replicant clone just being a cunt. And he's been described with a jacket, some jeans, and a white male. Could possibly be armed. This guy might fit the description. Yeah, we gotta check this out. We gotta go.
Hey, buddy. Put your hands up.
Fuck you!
Put your hands up.
No, fuck
Drop the
you!
gun. What do you
Dude,
got there?
My clone's fucking better than your shitty faggot reps any fucking day.
God.
I hope you get fucking cancer
Put
and
the
die.
gun down, buddy. Put the gun
Fuck
down.
you!
1032 on foot pursuit. Send backup, code BM51 on Bushton on 11th Street Avenue. He's running this way. Hey, ladies.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen a man about yay high? He has a black jacket on. He has a big gun.
I think we just saw him in that way.
All right. Well, stay safe. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's definitely his jacket. I think I see him over there. Freeze, put your hands up! Oh, shit. This motherfucker! Fuck! Around here. Get down! Hey, buddy, get down right now. Come on, get down, buddy. Come on. Suspect detained.
This clone supporter is headed to the ER, but once he's out, we're gonna put him behind bars for a really long time.
We're just glad no one else got hurt, and I hope we can all start flipping in peace now that we're slowly getting these cancerous fucks off the streets.
Belly noobs, what you want, what you gonna do? When the Balisong Police are coming for you. Tell me what you gonna do, Yeah. Belly noobs, what you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do when they come for you? Belly noobs, what you gonna do when they come for you?